Dear friends, welcome back to Showman Nath's YouTube channel. If you want to reward yourself with the right information at right time, please do subscribe Showman Nath YouTube channel and please press the bell icon for the notification. Let's start with today's topic. Will Macau follow the other universities what they adopt regarding the examination? See, this is published in timesnownews.com as well as in live TV that Mumbai University to conduct exams only for final semester students. Check updates. And this is their correspondent Papri Chanda updated on May 8, 2020. Now, Mumbai University is supposed to conduct the examination for the final semester students from July 20 to July 30, 2020. And they are following the rules and regulations. This is basically for the final semester students, and they are following the UGC guidelines as well as the ICT guidelines, which were already given to as well as delivered to different universities, institutions, as well as colleges. Now, let's have a look what the minister talks about that. This is estimated that the minister, that means since there is approval which also required from the Ministry of Higher Education of the state, so the Ministry of this Mumbai, that means this Maharashtra ministry went to explain that the university, Mumbai University, will conduct exams only for final semester students in the courses, and this is what that has already been enlisted in the UGC guidelines, and Maharashtra government has decided to follow it. So in this related, there are more newses, and also one more thing is that the Mumbai University is also going to promote the students of intermediate years, they on the basis of internal examinations. Now, this is Indian Express. Jamia Millia Islamia University to conduct offline exams for final year students from July 1st to 30, and this is also published in the Indian Express on 8th May 2020. Now let's see, have a look on what they are talking about. This Jamia Millia Islamia University also decided to conduct the offline examination for the final semester students, that means the terminal students, from 1st July, and the decision they taken on Thursday, and they have a long meeting, almost 4 hours long, and with the different persons, with like vice chancellors, registrar, deans, and all other members of the council, and they have decided that they will adopt the university's UGC's latest guideline in totality. So there is expected that they will also conduct the exam only for the final semester students, that means terminal students, and intermediate students will be passed on a basis of this 50-50 formula. Now it is time to see that that Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University is also going to follow the same rule or not, because our respected Chief Minister of the state of West Bengal already explained it earlier that the students were going to get ahead of one semester, and since they are also waiting, this Macau is, I think they are also waiting for the note from the West Bengal Higher Education Department. As soon as they are going to get the approval from the West Bengal Higher Secondary West Bengal Higher Education Department, definitely they might follow. I repeat, they might follow the same kind of thing for the examination purpose. So with this, I come to an end to this session, and regarding backlog, regarding any other queries, I'll make a separate video, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow it is going to come. So till then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe Showman Nath YouTube channel for the latest update.